Potholes making a mess on your driveway? Stones not staying in place? Sick of dodging puddles? Fix it with PebbleLock. PebbleLock is an engineered plastic paver that locks stones in place. These panels are 100% recycled and 100% recyclable. Download the full installation instructions for driveways on our website. Excavate to hard ground, install edging or curbs if required, and line with a geotextile to provide extra stability. Backfill with a road base and compact. Evenly spread a 10mm bedding layer of crusher dust or sharp sand over the road base. This doesn't need to be compacted. Lay the PebbleLock pavers, clipping together and cutting to shape as required. Fill the pavers with 8 to 14mm pebbles until covered. Your new driveway is now ready to drive on. Stand back and appreciate the additional value and street appeal. Enjoy! Available from Bunnings stores nationwide. Learn more on our website, pebblelock.com.au.